I've been dealing with stuff from my criminal practice that keeps popping up, and so I'm definitely behind on my modules, and I have like very eager people trying to sign up for appointments, and I don't want to lose them because I'm getting stuck, and I obviously have to go through all the modules, but if I could at least, I guess my biggest thing is I want to have the malpractice insurance in place as soon as possible.
Yes, for sure. So what I would do is I did a podcast on malpractice insurance years ago. You could listen to that, or you can just call your local bar, your county bar association, and ask them for their recommended resource, and tell that, contact their recommended resource and ask for a part-time policy.
Okay.
You're not estate planning full-time yet, so a part-time policy will be very inexpensive just to cover you for right now. And then for the drafting, I would contact back office drafting and get your design sheets going with them, so that with these plans you can fill out the design sheets and get them to them so you could get the plans going. Here's the one thing that I do want to just say to you is that you could put off these people and not lose them as clients.
What would be a good way to approach that with them?
I want to make sure that I do this right for you, and I'm setting up all of my systems, and I don't have my systems set up yet for the, to make sure that everything is as smooth and able to be as personalized as possible. And so what I would love is to either, send you a copy of this book, send you the webinar that my mentor did, and schedule with you in 6 weeks, so that I have time to get my systems in place so that I could, provide you with the best experience possible.
Okay.
And nobody, very few people feel like doing their estate planning is such an emergency that they can't wait 6 weeks.
Right.
It will build a lot of trust with them if you say that instead of rushing it, because that way they know that you're really focused on their experience.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes, absolutely. It's somebody in my BNI group too, so I'm going to see him all the time. He's not going anywhere.
Yeah. So I would, rather than coming from the scarcity of, oh no, I'm going to lose this client or lose this potential client, slow it down and know that you're not. They want to work with you, and they're going to be willing to wait for you as long as you communicate directly and clearly.
Okay, very cool.